In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Foxit Reader your default PDF reader in Windows, ensuring a seamless experience every time you open a PDF document. Let's dive in. To get started, the first thing we need to do is head over to the Start menu. You'll find this located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on the Start button. Once you've done that, look for the Settings option and click on it. Settings is your gateway to customizing and configuring your Windows experience, and today it will help us set up Foxit Reader as the default application for PDFs. Once you're in the Settings menu, it's time to direct your attention to the search bar. Here, type in Default Apps and hit Enter. This action will quickly guide you to the Default Apps section, saving us precious time and making the process straightforward. In the Default Apps section, you'll see various options for configuring which applications should open certain types of files and perform specific tasks by default. Here, we want to find the option labeled Set Defaults for Application. This is where we can tell Windows which program we prefer for reading PDF files, among other things. In the box labeled Set Defaults for Application, you'll need to do a quick search for Foxit Reader. Simply type in Foxit, and you should see Foxit Reader pop up as an option. Once it appears, go ahead and click on Foxit Reader to proceed. This will bring up a menu that allows you to associate Foxit Reader as the default app for numerous file types. Most importantly, make sure to set Foxit as the default for .pdf files. But don't stop there. You can also associate it with other compatible file types like .xdp and more. Simply check the boxes for the files you want Foxit Reader to handle. By associating these files with Foxit Reader, you're ensuring that whenever you click on these file types, they'll automatically open with Foxit, providing you with a consistent and efficient experience. This adjustment simplifies your workflow and leverages Foxit's powerful features, offering you a robust tool for all your PDF needs. Once you've selected the file types you wish to associate with Foxit Reader, take a moment to double-check your selections. Confirm that .pdf and any other desired formats are chosen, and you're all set. With this configuration, Foxit Reader is now your go-to application for PDFs, saving you time and effort in your daily tasks. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully made Foxit Reader your default PDF reader in Windows. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the ease and convenience of accessing your PDF files with Foxit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe